Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. Today guys, I'll be showing you how to integrate Clockify with Asana. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you. This is a fairly simple method and it's very easy to do, so I have no doubts you will be able to do it as well. So guys, anyways, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is open the Asana program. After doing that and entering the application, you'll be greeted by this main page here, which is the home page. And if you take a look at the left side of the program, you'll see all these options that you have, which you can enter, such as My Tasks, Inbox, and so on and so on. So go down and look down here, and you'll see the My Workspace option. Here are all your projects. So guys, go ahead and find a project that you're working on that you want to integrate with Clockify. So let's say the project you want to integrate is called this one called Tutorials. So guys, go ahead and click on Tutorials. This will open up this page of the project, which you'll be able to see everything about your project. So you want to look up here in the upper left corner where you can see the name of your project, which in this case is Tutorials. So you want to go here and click on this arrow pointing downwards next to the name of the project. After clicking this, you guys, you'll see this will open up an array of options that you can choose, and we want to go down here and find the option that's called Copy Project Link. So go ahead and click on this option called Copy Project Link. So guys, after doing that, you see here it says the project link was copied to your clipboard. So the next thing you want to do guys is minimize the application and open up your Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, or anything that you use. And guys, you want to search the following on Google. Just type in Clockify. After typing this, you'll be greeted by this search result. You want to enter this site clockify.me. So go ahead, go down here, and then you want to go up here where it says sign up free. So you can create an account and you'll be ready to use it. So go ahead and click on sign up free and just copy and sign into your account. As you can see, I already have an account and I have just logged in. So after doing that, you'll be greeted by this main page here of the Clockify page. So the thing you want to do to integrate Clockify with Asana is to do the following. Here you will see this plus sign with a project name on the project. You want to click on this button called project. After this will open up this tab and you want to click on create new project. So go ahead and click create new project, name it what you want. Let's say we call it tracking tutorials. You want to click select client, and then you want to click add find client. And here guys, you want to go and right click just and click paste here and paste the link that we just copied from Asana. So yeah guys, as you can see here, press Control Enter to click create, and so you can go ahead and click Control Enter, and you can see this is created a client of Asana. So guys, you can choose the color, you can choose templates, and so on. You can choose if it's public, and after doing just click create. As you can see here guys, now this is created the tracking tutorials in Clockify, which is tracking our Asana tutorials. So you can either start or stop, you can use all the options that you know. You can go calendar, you can go dashboard, projects, you can follow your Asana project right here, how much you spent, and so on. So guys, that's how you do it, that's how you integrate Clockify with Asana. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.